Good evening, everybody. Ryan Ray, CDSVWC, Detail Mafia Associate Member here at Upscale Detail Co. And I wanted to share with you guys the final product of this gorgeous 2021 Audi S5. So we just got finished applying our Geon Flash Evo certified ceramic coating. And man, does this thing look amazing. Look at that metallic flake popping and look at that mirror finish. So one thing with black vehicles, they do show a lot of imperfections, but as long as you've got this coated or paint corrected, you can see it in all of its inherent glory. Check that out. And this paint looks absolutely magnificent. This car looks like glass.